Hi guys, good evening all. I'm back with the new update. So here I'll be informing you about the new product search. So as I know, I have seen most of the YouTube channels and most of them who is teaching how to open an Amazon account and how to sell in Amazon account. They will not inform you this kind of secret, and they are not going to reveal this kind of secret. So the secret thing what I'm trying to inform you is, and what I'm trying to tell you is, please listen carefully. So once Amazon account is onboarded, so everyone start to search a product, and everyone in the rush that product they need to search a product which can boost their sale and which can earn them a revenue. So it's most important thing, and I can say it's a backbone for Amazon onboarding. So what I can suggest you is, while searching for a product, search that kind of product which is not easily available in the market. I repeat my words. Search that kind of product which is not easily available in the market. It is because when product is not easily available, so we need to put some kind of effort to get that particular product. So once we grab it and once we get it, so we'll be able to run the business in a smooth manner with less competitor. And in case if you go ahead with the product which is boosting and which is already in bestseller, which is already in demand, so it would be like behind you there will be more seller who is going to search the same product, and their competition would be more. So in initial stage, if a seller is new, onboarded in Amazon account, he need to spend in ads and each and everything. That revenue, the money which is hardly earned, it would be burned in the advertisement itself. So it's a sincere request to you guys, whenever you are going to open an account, search a product that which is not easily available in the market. I can just share you the example as well. So in dish rack category, you can check that most of the seller who is selling is steel item. So what I can suggest you in that is, in that particular category is just one category, you can dig other category as well. You need to search, that's it. So in that dish rack category, you can see silicone product is very less in demand. I mean, less in demand means the competitor is very less. Hardly there would be 3 to 4 competitor who is selling the silicone product in dish rack category. So that particular product is very useful for us, for me as well as for you, to open an account and open a product with that kind of product, silicone product. So in silicone product, that would be sink organizer, drying silicone mat, everything, etc. So you can search that product which is not easily available in the market. So it will give you a boost, and your ad spend would be less, and competition will be less, and you will be getting your sale. And being a side business, you will be able to grab the sale as well, and you can able to make revenue as well. So that's it for this video. In next video, I'll show you how to create a listing with the help of keywords.